My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Audi A5. This vehicle has done just over 51,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio, and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our 3-zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Just below, we have our drive select, so we can switch between dynamic mode, individual, efficiency, comfort, and auto. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather grey and black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.